Laynie and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, thank you so much. I seriously appreciate it. You guys, if the lighting looks a little different, that's because I'm getting a very late start today. Let's see, what time is it? Almost 6 o'clock at night. I have just not been with it today. I have been running behind all day. And I finally sat down. I feel rusty to film because I had so much pre-recording done before this moment. I am fully caffeinated with my Starbucks and now I'm ready to roll. Let's do this. If you are new and you like Boxycharm unboxings and you like monthly giveaways, then make sure you click that subscribe button, join the Lash Fam, because I unbox my Boxycharm every single month and I always have a giveaway, 2 or 3. In each box. So if you want to make sure you don't miss out on any of that, then click the subscribe button, click the notification bell. Now let's get to unboxing this bad boy because I'm pretty stinking excited about the month of February and my Boxycharm. If you don't know what Boxycharm is, it's a monthly beauty subscription that comes in at $25. And in my opinion, it is the best beauty subscription box ever in all of time, and probably that there ever will be. I don't think anybody can ever create anything better. I've had Boxycharm, I want to say, since basically the beginning of whenever it was created, which has been several years now. I don't know, time has gone by so quickly, I don't even know how many years, but it's been a few years, and I'm always blown away with my Boxycharms. Now the price has gone up a little bit, but still, I can totally justify the $25 because it's so stinking good. You guys, in February, did not disappoint. Wait, I just realized they didn't give me an info card. Boxycharm forgot to give me an info card in my box. How am I supposed to know what my value is, Boxycharm? Something that I think is so exciting about the February box is they are diving into complexion products. Last month in the January box, I did receive a concealer, which I thought was really cool. This month I received a foundation, which I think is really amazing. It did send me an email to pick something from this box, and I went ahead and picked the foundation because do I need more foundation? No, but I feel like it's something I can put in my backup stash and get to down the road. So I just love that they're diving into complexion. I try to look at Boxycharm not just from my perspective as someone who has way too much makeup, but from the perspective of someone who is trying to grow a collection, someone who is just diving into beauty products. Having the option to get complexion products is huge, and not just any complexion products, high-end complexion products. So I think it is so wonderful and just makes the value of Boxycharm, it was already like up here and now it's just like through the roof. Okay, so since I'm already talking about it, the first item here is the Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. Now, if you're new here, I save the products I'm giving away for last. So first I'm going to talk about the things I'm keeping for myself, and then we'll talk about the giveaway. So the first product I'm keeping for myself is this foundation. Obviously, I picked the color to match my own skin, and I have never used this. I've always kind of wanted to dabble into Becca products. I might have like one Becca product somewhere in my collection, but it's not something I reach for a lot. It is high-end, it is expensive, and I really like the sound of anything that says Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. That sounds really, really good. Let's see what it tells me about it since I didn't get an info card, Boxycharm. This foundation is $44, so already I have totally got my money back. And it says it's a full coverage liquid foundation featuring 24-hour water and transfer resistant wear with a breathable natural finish. This sounds like something that's going to work for all skin types, which is really important to me because I do lean more oily and I know so many people lean more dry. So something like this sounds like it's going to be right in the middle, right down the middle, so that we can all enjoy it. And I did think this sounded like the best color option for me. Real fast, I'm going to swing over to the Sephora app and just see what it says about Shell. Fair beige with neutral undertones. Okay, perfect. I prefer neutral or yellow undertones. I do not like pink on my skin. It looks horrible. Now, the next item I'm going to keep for myself are the First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads. I am such a sucker for skincare, you guys. Seriously, I think I might have an addiction to skincare. But I guess there are worse things I could be addicted to because I want to prevent as many wrinkles as possible. These come in at $17, so not super expensive, but not quite drugstore pricing. I do know this brand is sold at Sephora, so I basically consider most things that are sold at Sephora as more high-end. They don't have very many affordable products there. It says a daily treatment pad that contains the right amount of lactic and glycolic acids to safely and effectively wow, I cannot read today. Let's try that again. To safely and effectively exfoliate, tone, and brighten all skin types. Regular use of these pads will smooth the skin's texture, providing the perfect canvas for flawless makeup application. This is right up my alley because pores and texture are definitely two of my main concerns, with wrinkles being number one. And then the last thing I'm going to keep for myself, because I go through these all the time, I do not use facial wipes on my skincare routine, like to remove my makeup. I use a cleansing oil. But I always have a package of makeup removing wipes in my makeup room because they're so convenient for cleaning up eyeshadow and for creating a nice little cleaned up wing or line on the edge of your eyeshadow. So handy. This is a brand I've never heard of, Evio Skin Aurora Refresh Cleansing Hemp Wipes. It contains cannabis sativa seed oil. They're balancing, multifunctional, anti-fatigue. I have never heard of these before. I've never seen this brand anywhere. It looks like these come in at $10, so pretty affordable if I like them. Honestly, it's not something I would repurchase. I'm much more of an easy grab something at the drugstore, like my Neutrogena wipes. So, but you know, something useful that I can definitely keep in my stash and will use up. Okay, now let's talk about the giveaway, because I know that's what many of you are here for, and I cannot say I blame you. How this works is I have everything down in the description box, so just make sure you're following along to make sure you are fully entered in the giveaway. The first thing is, of course, you have to be subscribed to the channel, a member of the Lash Fam, to be entered into the giveaway. The second thing is you do have to be 18 years of age with a USA mailing address. And third of all, please comment down below with hashtag I love my Lash Fam, and please leave an Instagram handle so I can contact you if you are a winner. Okay, now let's talk about the two items I'm giving away, and I think they're pretty amazing. I definitely think someone is going to love the crap out of these. The first thing is something I totally considered keeping for myself because I love this brand so much. If you have not tried the eyeshadows from Elmer Cosmetics, you are missing out. The eyeshadows are seriously some of the best I've ever used, and I have no doubt these brushes are going to be wonderful, but you guys, I'm fully stacked on brushes. I don't need any more, and I know so many people need more brushes in their collection, so I'm so excited to give these away. This is an Elmer Cosmetics Complexion Brush Trio, $36, and I'm absolutely obsessed with the color of these handles. It's kind of like a more fiery rose gold. It's kind of like a pinky bronzy gold, but pretty darn vibrant. Really beautiful, and the three brushes look super soft and looks like the perfect shapes for complexion products, so definitely something great to give away. I'm really looking forward to it. And now the other item, I feel like it pairs pretty well with the brushes. So the next thing I will be giving away is the Ciate London Everyday Vacay Coconut Powder. I honestly didn't know they made a setting powder, so I'm very curious about this. It comes in at $22. It says, lock in your makeup for long-lasting wear with Ciate London's Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder. Delicately coconut fragranced, which I don't know about you, but I truly love the smell of coconut. Anything coconut, I'm like, ah, I'm on a beach somewhere. And it says, it is finely milled and lightweight to smooth everything out. No flashback, and it is crease-free soft focus. So this sounds like a wonderful powder, and the two items go together so well in this giveaway. So if you want to get in on the giveaway action, just make sure you're following along so that you are fully entered. I seriously love doing these giveaways every month. It helps me try to remain somewhat clutter-free here in my makeup collection, and it gives me a chance to give back to you guys because you are seriously the best. So yeah, that is everything for today's video. I give the February box 2 big major thumbs up. I'm really impressed with this box. Honestly, like really impressed. There's really nothing I regret getting. Maybe I would have liked to see a little bit higher end facial wipes, but besides that, honestly, really excited about everything. I'm really pumped that we received a complexion product, and not only a complexion product, a full-size high-end foundation. I think that's wonderful. So if you got February's box, let me know down below what you got. What did you think of it? I seriously love hearing from you guys. And yeah, that's everything. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure you click that subscribe button, join the Lash Fam. You will not regret it, and as always, please try to stay positive, because at the end of the day, that is truly all we can try to do. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.